If you are a staff member or a student at the secondary level in Racine Unified School District, you have the ability to use Adobe Express for content creation. Start by typing in express.adobe.com to get to the program. Once you are there, you can click to log in with school account. Choose Continue with Google. Pick Enterprise ID and you may be logged into Adobe Express. You also may be asked to log in using ClassLink. Once you are logged in, you can start by looking for a template of your choosing. When using Adobe Express, you can create posters, slideshows, journals, and even websites. For the purpose of this presentation, we're going to show you how to make a poster. We're searching in the topic for bowling alley and scrolling down to see all of the different options that are available. If we would like to narrow our search, we can do so by the type of item that we are looking for. In this case, we're looking for a card, but we can go back to all templates if we don't like what we've searched for. Upon finding a template that you like, simply click on the item. After clicking on the item, you can choose to create from this template. A template will appear, and you will now be able to start editing. When working in Adobe Express, the left-hand side of the screen can be utilized to add new items. We're going to start by adding a text box to our poster. Once the item has been added, we can adjust it, but we can also use the right-hand side of the screen to make edits. Here, we're changing the text that will appear. We also have the option to change any colors, the alignment of the text, or even the shape that it appears on our poster. One unique feature of Adobe Express is the Find a New Style. In this example, Find a New Style is changing the text boxes to something that we might like for our poster. As we work our way down the options on the left-hand side of the screen, we can see that Adobe has stock photos we can add. Simply search for the topic you're looking for, and you should be able to find a picture. The Icons tab on the left-hand side of the screen works in a similar manner. Search for the item that you'd like to place into the poster. Similar to the Find a New Style feature of Adobe Express, they also offer a Design button. By clicking on the Design button, you can take a look at different options that Adobe recommends for you. This can help to take the stress out of the design process. Once you have finished making your content, you do have the ability to share it out with others. Start by giving your project a name. Once you are ready, you can click the Download option. Choose from a PNG, JPEG, or PDF. In our example, we're going to download our poster as a JPEG. We click Start Download. For the purposes of this video, we are going to show you how you can insert the image from Adobe Express into an email message created in Gmail. As this process is complete, think about all of the other areas within RUSD that you could take an Adobe Express image and utilize it with. Please remember, Adobe Express is not limited to just posters. You can use it to create sites, slideshows, journals, and you can always reach out to your tech integrator for other ideas. Once we have entered all of the recipients, we can click on the Image button, choose Upload, and find our Planet Bowl flyer that we're utilizing from Adobe Express. And now that the email message is complete, we can send it out. As a little added bonus in this video, we're going to show how staff and students at the secondary level can use Adobe Express to create a logo. The logo is also called a brand. We can choose to skip this step and try the logo maker. We will enter the type of business we're creating, the name, and the business slogan. Choose Next, and pick the style you would like the logo to appear. Choose icons that you would like to appear. Note that Adobe will find icons based on the name of your business. You can scroll down and look at the different options Adobe is presenting to you for your logo. Change the color, the style of the text. Once you're ready, you can customize more, and you'll be taken to a screen that looks just like the one we utilized to make our poster earlier in this video. If you have any questions, please contact your tech integrator for more assistance.